everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Charmaine, and today I would like to share a few updates for my VR360 app. Okay, so this app, there are a few changes. So the changes will especially the Google link. So there will be no Google link anymore because due to the reason that we couldn't access the real file of it. So there are a lot of users had been commenting. So to inform everyone that the link is unavailable now. So what will be the solution? So I will be inserting the Dropbox at my video, so you guys just directly will be directly headed to this VR360 app that I had inserted in the VR360 in Dropbox. Okay, so if you guys are still facing any issues regarding to the VR360 app, feel free to comment at Dropbox is alright, and comment at the YouTube channel. Okay, so in future, if you guys are looking forward to learn more about Google VR, where you should go. So first and foremost will be the GitHub, which is this thing. So they will have 3 assets to supply to you. So one is this GVR Android SDK and their source code. Okay, and the other is from here. So this is directly from the Google VR, and they actually also mentioned that there are like 4 to 6 of the SDKs that are available in this GitHub. This is GVR Android SDK. Okay, so I really thanks for those YouTube users to watch my video, and I'm very thankful to your comments. Sorry if I am not doing well due to the fact that actually I am quite busy behind. I just started my small enterprise as a graphic design with digital marketing consultation. So in future, I will be putting less time to VR and AR. But if you guys still need my help, or you have any recommendation on what should I do, maybe I can share with you guys on how to market your app. But that's not possible because I haven't tried like sharing my app in Google Play Store yet, but it will be a plan in future. But I really appreciate you guys for giving the comments and feedback here, and some of you will give like positive feedback during the process as well. Okay, so in future, not just digital marketing, if you guys happen to be interested about graphic design, especially in Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop, feel free to drop in the comments as well. As I will share my album, my Behance album, even though it is still in progress to be improved, but it's good to try and like use the knowledge of designing to improve your UI and UX experience for your future customers. Okay, so I think that's all for my channel, for my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave down the comments if you have any inquiries or feedbacks that I can improve on. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Thank you.